Extra heat in our jug, man. It's a good way of cooling now. We're taking a boy back. Oh, yeah. Release. Release, boy. You want to come and take a bath? Boy, bath?
I'm good. I'm not painting like you.
Oh. How hot is it for you, right? Like 200 degrees or 300 degrees?
We'd be dead if it was one of them too. It's around 100 degrees. Not that bad.
We get the AC start working. That's $250 to fix the AC. And we have one, you get like 1 day out of it, or less than a day.
Less than a day.
Yeah. Come on, winter. Oh yeah, now it feels cool and nice. Oh, come on, fall, come on. Oh.
Anything for the content, huh? Anything for the content. Huh?
This should get shit to do with content, but this should get to do it. This should get to do with cooling down, you hear me?
Yeah, all that noise is for content. There's some content noise right there.
Oh, Makai, come on here.
I'm good. I'm good.
Fuck.
I don't want to get too comfortable. You always flash me with water, bro.
That was good. Let's stretch my back one more time and we'll be alright. Take out some picture of this here. Nothing will hold up there. This one I like that.
It's dead.
Add one more strap.
Boom, boom.
Show it inside, don't show it.
That was the left hand throw.
Get one more strap. Strap down up there in the middle. My back, you know. So we have another successful day. I want to thank you, Makai, for participating.
You're welcome.
For not being a spectator all the day.
Well, you were calling me spectator earlier.
And,
there's video proof.
Sure, I couldn't do it without you. You're a great you're a great assistant, even though sometimes you drag your ass. But you're a great assistant. I'd rather have you than anybody else on my side. Sometimes. All right. What do you think we make today? How much money do you think we make today?
I don't know.
This job here, we did it for $450. The other one before, $250. What else we did? The $50 one this morning. That was like $750.
I'm not paying attention. attention to the numbers.
450, 250, a 7, and a $50, a $50 tree job in the market. 750.
Now, whatever we get out this unit that we want to go get.
Let's get some clothes and shit.
And the metals.
Huh?
And the metals. Let's hurry up and get out of here, dude.
Shit, I could go under the pipe one more time.
Go ahead. I'm not gonna be there though, so you can splash me again. I'm good.
Yeah, this one tire look like it needs some air. Right, look, it needs some air. But the back one over there, the back on the truck. I don't feel like dealing with that. Maybe I could stop at the goddamn place and you could do it, or you could do it right now with the compressor in there. Yeah? Or we could ride it back home just like that.
Was it causing a problem?
No. Visually, you know.
It's a bunch of weight at the back, so that's probably a cause of it too.
So what do you think about the strap down? Everything look good there? Nothing will fall, huh? Yeah, that's good. That ain't going nowhere.
Everything pretty good.
Bring my phone inside the truck. Let me take my phone.
Alright, bet.
Favorite one now. Look, take another one from the street there.